Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's select loyalty card and now select card you would like to remove. For example, IKEA. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Next, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop and now you have to enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. In the end, let's select public transport. And if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Pay. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.